to start off by saying thank you to Step 2 for this wonderful opportunity. We chose a Lifestyle Dream Kitchen to give a review. Carmen's showing us that we have some pans in our extra cabinet space.
And we need a lot of pans.
We highly recommend this kitchen set. It's very fun with lots of realistic features. It took an hour for us to put it together.
And parsley to mix with the and that one boils.
We have a boiling pan and a frying pan.
Yeah, there's soup and soup.
Our microwave makes noises. We're making a hamburger. Our phone makes noises. We have a couple drawer spaces.
And our oven got noise.
Let's see what's in our oven.
Whoops. Pizza!
Pizza!
And makes noise.
Over here we have a recycling bin full of food.
Yeah.
Extra space.
Yeah.
Silverware? Do we have silverware?
Silverware. Yep. Over here.
That's here's our silverware.
What is somewhere up there? And a sink light.
We have a sink light and a refrigerator.
And our cups.
And inside our refrigerator we have a pitcher with lemonade.
Yep, but it has to freeze.
We want to thank you guys so much. What do you think of your kitchen?
We like it.
You like it? Say thank you.
Thank you.